cobbler beats, a story unfolds. The wind carries what hearts can say through shadows dark into the day. Rise up like the morning sun, even when the night feels one. Feel the rhythm in your veins. Sadness flows, but hope remains. Piano notes like falling rain, drums echo through the hills of pain. Flute dances where the soul can see, lost in time, but wild and free. Dreams are threads in a fragile sky, weaving light where the shadows lie. A tear may fall, but still it shines, and